Hi guys, so I'm back with a part 2 of must-have products as a hairstylist.
So guys, here is the Hawaiian Silky and Eludis product. Yes, these two things do the same thing, like the Afro Curly wigs, but the Hawaiian Silky is more expensive. And then here we have a Mega Growth and a Curl Lala. So these two are for revamping. Yes, you could either use a Curl Lala or a Mega Growth, but the Curl Lala is better for revamping. So it's just depending on the one you have. And then here is the comb, which is very compulsory. And then next we have our brush. So if you don't have this detangling brush, you use this normal brush and then use your comb to like detangle it afterwards. Then next we have the scissors. Yes, scissors, very essential. And then after that we have our control clips. Yes, control clips, butterfly clips, alligator clips, they are all clips but with different functions. Yes, they all have different things they do. And then after this we have our T-pins. Yes, the T-pins are very important and essential. You need to have these T-pins. Yes, especially when you have a wig stand and a dummy. And then next are edge control. Yes, very important to lay down those edges. And then after that, a bending rollers or a snap-on roller. So you could get either of these. So either the bending rollers or the snap-on rollers. So whichever one you decide to use or whichever one you have is perfect. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment. Bye.